Alright folks, this is my iRobot collection, Roomba stuff here. Basically I got some chargers here, virtual lighthouses. It's kind of laid out for you guys to see. That's what I have right now, the moment being, because I got most stuff just coming and going. If you guys are interested, I'm selling a bunch of the stuff on eBay. So we got docking stations here. We got some old original virtual wall stew, just in case you guys are wondering. Anybody interested in those? I'm selling all of them. So, there's some Roombas that are ready to go, all working. And I got the leaning tower of Roombas right here. So that's my next project I'm going to continue working on. Fixing those guys up. I'm gonna be selling here these guys pretty soon too, in the as is. So just in case anybody's wondering them, want to buy them. I also got some iRobot Scuba stuff here. Got a bunch of virtual walls here. I'm gonna be selling these suckers here soon too. These are the virtual walls schedulers for the older model like Discoveries. So I'm going to be selling those. Yep. The power supplies from down there. Yeah, a small collection of my scuba stuff here. Just figured you guys want to see that stuff, what I do here. Alrighty. Thanks for watching.